Imagine exchanging your vows surrounded by the timeless beauty of Tuscany, the rolling hills, the medieval villages, and golden sunsets. And for nearly 20 years, my team and I have been helping couples create quiet luxury elopement experiences in Tuscany and beyond. And as someone with a dual citizenship, Italian-American and raised in Rome, Italy with its unmatched elegance, style, and hospitality is where I inherited my sense of design and the art of celebration, also known as La Dolce Vita. Every elopement I design reflects that spirit, no matter where in the world it takes place. Tuscany holds a special place in my heart. It's where I studied at the Florence Academy of Fine Arts and spent years immersed in the beauty and culture. From the iconic vistas of Val d'Olcia to Florence's artistic treasures, I know its region, culture, and traditions intimately, which is key to creating truly bespoke, quiet luxury elopements. Quiet luxury elopement in Tuscany is more than simply organizing the logistics. It's about curating an experience that immerses you in the region's beauty, culture, and timeless elegance. Every detail is intentional, from exclusive private villas to tailored dining experience with private chefs. Tuscany is only 2 hours from Rome, yet it feels like a world away. Rome is majestic, filled with history, art, and vibrant culture, but it's also a bustling metropolitan city. Tuscany, in contrast, is peaceful and calm, surrounded by stunning nature. The place is slow here, and it offers a completely different vibe, one of tranquility, understated beauty, and intimacy. Perfect for a quiet, luxury, intimate wedding. Florence, just an hour by train from Rome, serves as a gateway to the serene region and its enchanting charm. I personally recommend renting a car in Florence to explore the region or hiring a driver for a seamless journey. This post is here to guide you and offer inspiration. When you're ready to begin planning your quiet luxury elopement in Tuscany, reach out and I would love to bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.